Ever wondered about the stunning variety of Sensational cactus plants that can add a dash of charm to your living spaces? Welcome to the intriguing world of these resilient beauties. Known for their aesthetic appeal and versatility, Sensational cacti come in an array of types, each with its unique allure. From the strikingly tall Sensational cylindrica to the compact and charming Sensational harnii, these plants can transform any corner into a green sanctuary. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the captivating world of Sensational cactus plants. You might be surprised to learn how many types of Sensational cactus plants there are. Let's embark on a journey to explore these fascinating species. First stop, we have the Sensational trifasciata, often known as the snake plant. This gem is a favorite amongst plant enthusiasts for its striking upright leaves that are green with a hint of silver. It's a resilient indoor plant that can thrive even in low-light conditions, making it ideal for those of us who may not have the greenest of thumbs. Moving on to the Sensational cylindrica, this one is truly a marvel. It has cylindrical leaves that grow straight up, giving it a unique, modern look. This plant is a bit more demanding, enjoying bright, indirect light and a watering schedule that allows it to dry out between drinks. Last, but certainly not least, we have the Sensational harnii. This robust little plant truly stands out with its rosette of short, broad leaves. Its compact size makes it perfect for small spaces, yet it's just as tough and versatile as its larger cousins. Each of these Sensational species has its own distinctive features, growth patterns, and ideal care conditions. Whether you're a seasoned plant lover or just starting your botanical journey, there's a Sensational cactus plant that's just right for you. Isn't it fascinating how each type of Sensational cactus plant has its own unique characteristics? The world of Sensational cactus plants is truly diverse and fascinating, isn't it? We've journeyed through their captivating realm, exploring the various types, each with its own unique allure. The robust and resilient Sensational trifasciata, noted for its sleek vertical leaves, is an ideal companion for beginners. Then the charming Sensational cylindrica, with its round, braided leaves, is a sight to behold. And let's not forget the Sensational parva, the smallest of the bunch, but certainly not lacking in character. Each Sensational cactus plant has its own care conditions. While some prefer well-lit spaces, others thrive in low-light environments. Watering requirements also vary, but remember, less is more. These plants are drought-tolerant and overwatering can lead to root rot. Next time you consider adding a plant to your collection, why not consider a Sensational cactus? Remember, each type has its own unique charm and personality.